Hello, my lovely people. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mai, a mother of two beautiful girls, Tamin and Tamiz. And our YouTube channel is Mai and Tata. Tata stands for Tamin and Tamiz. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We are really happy to be here. We are happy to share with you our family, and we want you and us to be family. Thank you for inspiring us. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for subscribing. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I make mahashi as a black woman. I always like good food, so I don't take food for granted. I learned to make mahashi time by time because my first trials were not really good. But with time, I really changed a lot. And now this kind of mahashi I'm bringing for you, don't mind about the way it looks. Don't mind about the shape. Don't mind about the size of it. Mind about the tasty. My mahashi is so tasty. So see you. You're going to like it. Bye. It's so lovely. Lovely people, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mai and Tata, Uganda. As I promised you, I'm going to cook mahashi. And this is the beginning of mahashi. I'm preparing everything that makes mahashi. While starting, I started with the cabbage. Okay? You boil some water, warm water, and you have to put the cabbage in. These are the first leaves I got from the cabbage outside of it. So like this, I started to make the cabbage. I don't leave it for a long time. I only make it to be soft, to change color, so I can remove it when it is a bit soft, not hard but soft. So like that, it is easy to make and put the rice as much as I can. So I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done with this to see a preparation of another thing. Yeah, the first step is to boil the cabbage a bit, not too much boiling, but to boil it a bit so it is nice as you see it. It is not cut, it is just nice, ready to accommodate the rice inside it. It is not so ready, it is not so done, so it is nice that way. Yeah, I'll see you in my next. Hi, my lovely people. We are now down to, I think, 11 a.m. after an hour of me cooking what I have now. Here we have tomato sauce, very mixed with the very nice spices. I have Maggi, I have coriander inside it, and I have some recipe from from Uganda. And here we have our rice. I will mix it up when the tomato sauce cools down. Here we have chicken soup, chicken sauce. Yes. Here we have some chicken. This is chicken thigh or chicken leg, and some chicken wings. And here we are having cabbage. Our cabbage, I cut it into good portions that I will use to make the cabbage, as you can see. Okay, so I will come back to show you how I'm filling the cabbages with the rice. Okay, see you. Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Yes, welcome back. After that a while, I'm done and ready to stuff our cabbage with rice. So far here we have cabbage with some of the part I used from this. So I stuff it down in order not for it to burn. And here we have our rice, our cabbage, our chicken and salad plus some fruits. So dive in with us. Let's start filling the cabbage. Okay, like that. You start to fill the cabbage. Slowly, take your time. I'm not that perfect, but I try my best. So this one is done. Fix it in the pot. Take another one. Fill it with rice and pack it up Pack it up. It's okay for the pepper to cut, no problem, no worries. So for me, it's okay like that. As long as the rice is tasty and yummy, so everything is okay, it's under control. Don't worry about the pepper is breaking or something like that. Everything is totally okay. You understand? So this is the third one. Put them in the pot as if you are arranging something nice. Don't worry about the peppers breaking or something. It's okay. You can use, you can fold it, use it together, work on it, and everything is okay. Try to be nice, be gentle, and everything will come out exactly as you expected it to. Yeah. So here we go. Your number 4, number 5. Yes. Down to it, down to it, down to it. Yes. Here we go. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. And this is called Mahashi. Mahashi in Arabic. This is Egyptian food. Imagine all the way from Uganda cooking Mahashi. Wow. Egyptians should give me a prize. Mahashi, yummy, yummy Mahashi. And my friend is the one behind the camera, doing a great job. Thank you. Thank you, camera woman. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. See, it's not that perfect, but it's coming out. The more I feel it, the more you will see it pleasing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is Mai and Tata from Uganda. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. We are back here. Everything is going on well. We are almost done. Take a look. So yummy and coming out so nicely. But it's okay. We may have extra rice. It's okay. It's okay. We may have extra rice. But for now, everything is going on well. Thank you for thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. All is going well. We are almost done. Thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing for more. Here we are. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Keep on subscribing and watching. This is Mai and Tata. Yes, our cabbage is almost moving. It's moving. It's moving. We are almost there. We are almost there.
My hand is moved. Yalla.
Assalamu alaikum. We are right back to our end, our final touches. Here, it's ready. Full. I put this to make it stuffing. And on top of it, I will add onion to give it a good taste, a good flavor. Smell all that. I'll add a raw onion, to have a nice taste. To make it have a very, very nice taste. And smell riha gamila, riha gamila. Tamez is behind the camera, by the way. So after that, we will be putting our soup.
Yes.
This is our chicken soup. Is mixed with some spices. It's so sweet. I will put the soup up to the top, just as you can see. So after that, quarter. After that, we will be putting it on our fire. Ready, and then cover it up. Cover it up like that. Almost 1 hour, it will be done. We are coming back with our chicken, so don't go anywhere. Just sit down. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is Mai and Tata. We are here to serve you. Hello my friends, hello my family. We are back, not yet done with the day of cooking mahashi with our chicken wings and chicken thigh. So we are ready with our vegetables. We are going to get, the oil is ready. The oil is ready. We are now going to put our onions. I need the onion to be a bit brown. I will make it a bit brown. Okay, I like onion, so I put as much as I can. As we are waiting for our stuffed cabbage to be ready. As you can see, let it boil as we continue our day. So now we are frying onions. When it gets brown, I will put our chicken. I'll put our chicken when it gets brown. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is Mai and Tata. We are from Uganda, but currently living in Egypt. I'm a mother of 2. Today we are cooking mash, which is stuffed cabbage with rice. Yes, in Arabic it's called mash. It will be served with salad, chicken wings and chicken thigh, like shish tawuk. Yes, shish tawuk with wings and drumsticks. It's so yummy. I like it. So the onions have to be a bit brown. So when it gets a bit not brown but a bit brown like that, I am able to put our chicken. We need more 5 minutes or 2 minutes together, as our stuffed cabbage is going to be mwah. Keep on watching. Let's grow our family together. Enjoy. Now it's time to put our yummy chicken, but make sure it doesn't have water in it. Make sure to suck all the water before you fry it. This is our chicken. So if the onion will get more brown as together with the chicken. The onion will get more brown together with the chicken. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please press the subscription button And don't forget to comment and leave a message. This is Mai and Tata from Uganda. After that, I get my salt because I need it to have a flavor, a sweet and tasty flavor. I will put the salt right now. I don't know. It depends on how much you like your salt, but I'm a salty guy. Late guy. Finish. After that, I will put my onion, my garlic. It's almost finished because I love it so much. So I need to get more. Garlic. Garlic is everything for me. It's healthy. It's very, very good for our health. So I always love garlic. It also gives it a nice flavor. Don't forget to wash your chicken very well so it's clean and hygienic. Yes. So in order to have a nice flavor, I'm going to put coriander, but it's powdered, dried and powdered coriander. Why I put it now? Because I want the chicken itself to have these flavors, not that anything. I want to bite the piece of chicken with these flavors. And from that I will put black pepper, a bit of black pepper, a bit. Since the kids are going to eat from it, a bit of black pepper. And if I was in Uganda, I will put Reiko. But since I'm in Egypt, I will put Maggi. Yes, because there is no Reiko, there is no Maggi in, there is no Reiko in Egypt. So I will put 1 cube of Maggi. But after like 10 minutes, when this water dries a bit and I get a bit of a color. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of our family. And then get back to it when it has changed its color. Okay. At this stage that the carrots are already in, because halas, we don't have a lot of water, juice inside. The juice we have is good to keep it boiling and stuff. So at this point we put the tomatoes. I cut them in a cube style. You can cut it any way you want, either cubes or what, any way you want. And some people prefer to put the green pepper at the end, but it's okay. In order to keep the flavor, I'll put it now and cover it so it can boil and all the flavor goes inside the chicken. So keep on watching to see the end result. It's so amazing. You will love it. Yes, my dear friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mai and Tata. We are back to our final part of Mahashi and chicken. Come, let's dig in. First of all, this is the outcome of the chicken. Wow. Look, take a look. So yummy. Just vegetables with chicken. And check this out. Our Mahashi. Wow. Mwah. Wow. Oh, the smell is so amazing. The smell is so amazing. Come, let's watch together. Take a look at that. That's made by Mai from Uganda. And we are ready to serve it. Don't mind about the sizes as long as the taste is so nice. The size does not matter. The size, the shape, it doesn't matter as long as it is so nice. Take a look at that. Here we serve our chicken with it. Oh, take a look at that. And the chicken wings. I always prefer to put some soup on top of it. I prefer to put some chicken soup on top of it. Yes. Who doesn't like that? Who doesn't like that? With a glass of guava juice. Come, let's dive in. Come, let's dive in. Wow. 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 Ooh la la. Yum, yum, yummy. That's all has been for Mahashi. Thank you for walking this journey with me. This is Mai and Tata. Tune in next time for more nice videos. Let's make a family. Let's become a family. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye.